So now we have with us an international guest, Mr. Franz Klaiber from a company called SOFLEX. Mr. Klaiber, tell us, what is SOFLEX made of? What do you do? How do you help companies, industries?
Thank you for your question. Yes, we produce production control system. That means we want to install a software for automation of CNC machines, but also for the organization of standalone machine, to help the customer to be more productive.
So what does it take to get production to be digital or predominantly digital?
The main feature is how we get the information out of the machine controls. And at this moment we have no standardized interface, so sometimes it's always a very specific development to get this information out. After we have this information, it should be not a problem to work with them.
So you're helping production floors become more smart. Where does this smart come from?
Smart means on the first way transparency. It means you have a very short overview what happens in the shop floor, so that you know at each time what's the status of the machine, what's about the productivity of the machine, if you have a standstill, and so on and so on. And out of this you can install an optimization process.
So what is your view on the current state of the industry? Where do we stand in terms of automation, robotization?
From my view, we are in the beginning. Yes. As I have found it, SOFLEX approximately 40 years ago, as it was only some definite project with bigger companies. Nowadays, I would say the last 5-8 years, it grows and grows, and now we have also customers with smaller companies, customers which have perhaps only 10 operators there.
And the trends are also talking about smart factories. How far away are smart factories from being in practice, in everyday practice?
Yeah, we have had the chance with some of the clients to realize it. So at the day we have, I would say, a handful smart factories which are already realized.
So which are the biggest challenges or obstacles that you have to overcome to put a smart factory in practice?
The first, what we should have is an understanding of the end user. And in the first also the understanding of the processes. That means production processes, what have to be done, and it should be defined. And after this, then we can start with the installation of our software.
And SOFLEX will help everybody in that regard, right?
Yeah, you're right. So we are not primarily supplying software, we are also supplying our ideas and to the end user help to optimize its processes.
Thank you, Mr. Klaiber, for your time and answers, and please keep up the good work.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.